Welcome. This is Maya Andreasen, and today we are going to talk about creating a reverse lock foot. Now, this rig right here is something I created a couple years ago. The model was actually provided by a friend of mine who is a fabulous character artist named Isaac Oster. He let me use this model so that I could show classes how to rig. So first off, let's take a look at the capabilities of this model's foot and why a reverse lock rig setup is something that you would even want. So let's make it so that we can see this a little bit better. So you can see here that I'm grabbing a regular foot control, and this foot control, of course, has its pivot point at the ankle. And so I can bring this up, I can rotate it around, I can do all sorts of fun things with it. Now the other thing I had is both a ball control and banking controls. And those are actually linked to my reverse lock setup. So let's see how they work. So the ball control can go like this, right? The toe control goes like this, so it'll lift up the entire foot. Any one of these banking controls allows us to bank our foot in multiple directions, which is really fantastic. It just gives our animators more control, more versatility with their rig. So if you have a character that's going to be walking a lot or running or a lot of leg movement, I would recommend setting up a reverse lock setup just so that you give your animators more abilities to animate your character. Okay, so let's actually take a bit of a look at this. We're going to actually turn off our model, and initially it just looks like a regular foot rig setup. I guess this one is the best. But I've actually made a couple of the actual reverse lock setup invisible. So I'm going to go over here to my outliner and hit F. Let's go back to the outliner. There we go. And I've attached my reverse lock setup to my controls for my pivots. So I'm just going to hit H and we're going to bring it back. So these are actually my reverse lock joints. And so we are going to be creating them, and we're going to create a heel joint, a toe joint, a ball joint, and a foot joint. And we're going to attach everything through an orient constraint, and we're going to go through the entire process. So I'm going to pause the video for just a second, and we'll get started on a fresh model.